In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about how Encap-Punch can help you in your carpet cleaning business. It's a 3-in-1 encapsulation detergent for traffic lane, bonnet cleaning, and hot water extraction rinse. Stick around and I'll tell you how. Today I'd like to talk to you about Encap-Punch. It's a very unique product because it's a 3-in-1 encapsulation detergent. In fact, it's more than 3-in-1. It covers a lot. Primarily, it's a traffic lane pre-spray. It can also be used for bonnet pad cleaning and also as a hot water extraction rinse detergent. So let me explain a little bit to you about how those three aspects work with Encap-Punch. First of all, it's a true encapsulation product. If you dry it down, you'll find that it will dry very brittle. It'll shear away from the dish very easily. It's an extremely brittle formula. That was kind of an interesting thing for us to try to develop because frankly, to incorporate that kind of solvent, detergent base, along with a true encapsulation polymer was a little bit of a tightrope walk because a little to the left, a little to the right, you're going to end up with a situation where it just doesn't dry down properly. It won't release from the fiber properly. So we worked hard on this product. It was probably, I would say, our most challenging product to develop was Encap-Punch. Now, when we think about it, working with it as a pre-spray, you're bringing true encapsulation properties over into the pre-spray traffic lane environment. It's very helpful if you want to use, for example, let's say you've got a really messed up carpet, it's just trashed, and you're going to go in and do an Encap cleaning. Perhaps you're using a Cymex machine or an orbital machine, a CRB machine. If you come first and use Encap-Punch in your high traffic areas, your areas that are really hammered, go ahead and do a pre-spray application first with Encap-Punch and then come back afterwards and clean either using Encap-Punch as the actual cleaner or using Encap Clean DS2 as your detergent, for example. You can come behind Encap-Punch and really see the results kick up. And it's going to clean faster, it's going to clean easier, and in fact you can use less solution during the cleaning application because you've already loosened up the soil. You'll find that, for example, if you're using a Cymex machine, you would normally feather out less detergent to get the same results if you've pre-sprayed first with Encap-Punch. So in effect you're using an additional product and an additional step, but you're kind of getting it back on the cleaning side. You're going to find that you can scrub faster using just a little bit less solution. So it's true you're putting a little bit more in, but you're also getting it back on the cleaning side. And when you're dealing with something that's really heavily soiled, something that's just totally messed up, this will really help to just speed up your cleaning and make it that much easier. So on the traffic lane side of Encap cleaning, pre-spray application, it's a great product. And one of the key reasons why we wanted to come up with this is that it's totally compatible with our encapsulation polymer. It's the same Encap polymer and Encap-Punch that we have in our other products. So on a pre-spray side of things, it really works extremely well. It encapsulates soil. It's going to release during the post-vacuuming process, just like all of our other Encap products will. Now let's talk about using it for bonnet cleaning. In a bonnet cleaning application, keep in mind, it's a pre-spray traffic lane cleaner, so it's got tremendous ability as far as the solvency and detergency side as well as the Encap properties, but when you take that over to bonnet cleaning, we'd like to have that extra muscle, that extra punch, so to speak, to drive the soil. There's an additional benefit to using this product for bonnet cleaning applications. If you're using a product that will foam on the carpet, like let's say Encap Clean DS2, that works really well also for bonnet cleaning. A lot of people use it. But because this is a lower foaming product, it will actually remove that barrier of foam, that light little bit of foam that you're going to have on the surface. And when we're bonnet cleaning, we want to accomplish as much absorption as possible. We want to absorb as much into the bonnet as we can. And if there's a layer of foam in between the carpet and the bonnet, that's going to kind of slow down the absorption process. So typically bonnet cleaners are low foam products, and this is a low foam product, so it's going to work well in a bonnet cleaning application, again bringing an encapsulation property to your bonnet or your orbital cleaning works extremely well in that application as well. Now let's talk about using it as a hot water extraction rinse detergent. Now, if you've been in this industry for any amount of time, you know there's one thing you don't do. You don't use a pre-spray to use the same product in your rinse application. I mean, come on, that's not going to work. You can't use a pre-spray to rinse the carpet, but with this product you can. How do we do it? Well, keep in mind that everything that makes it work on the one hand as a pre-spray traffic lane cleaner is balanced on the other side with encapsulation polymer. Even if we left this in the carpet undiluted, it would actually resist soil. So in this case, we can use it very effectively as a rinse detergent. We're not going to attract soil like you typically would if you were to use a pre-spray in a hot water extraction rinse application. So it works great as a rinse product. So already we've nailed 3 very important elements. In fact, one product here that covers a wide range of what you're going to do on your carpet cleaning truck. Using it as a pre-spray, using it as a bonnet or orbital type application for pads, or using it as even a hot water extraction rinse detergent. So it really is a 3-in-1 Encap product. One of the things that's nice about it is very effective. It's a deep cleaning. The surfactants and the solvents that we have here penetrate well. It was built on a good formula. That's where we started with it for pre-spray. So it cleans really well. We get lots of positive feedback. Read the reviews on Encap-Punch. It's a super, super popular product. One of the nice things here too is that it crystallizes so well, so it's not going to track soil. It's actually going to resist soil and hold soil in suspension so it can continue to be extracted during the post-vacuuming process. It covers a wide range of cleaning applications. Works really well in commercial cleaning applications. We've got a lot of people that use it for that, but it also crosses over nicely into residential as well. And because it's got a non-sticky formulation, it will actually resist soil. It's not going to attract additional soil. It also reduces the chance for wicking. So if you're treating recurring spill stains, for example, it does really well on that too. So here you see why it's such a popular product. It's also safe for all synthetic fibers, color-fast wool as well. It's a wool-friendly product. It also has CRI approval. So if you're making sure that your process has CRI approval, Encap-Punch works really well. Coincidentally too, the Orbot Vibe has CRI approval, so when you put those two things together, you're working with a CRI approved Encap bonnet cleaner with a CRI approved orbital machine, the Orbot Vibe. So that's also something that you can kind of merge together if you really want to maintain that CRI approval. So with Encap-Punch, we've got a product that really covers a wide range, blends well with our normal Encap range of products that we have here at Excellent Supply. Can be used with Adsorb Ultra to pre-spray if you're using the dry particulate of Adsorb. So it just covers a wide range. We highly recommend trying it. It can also be used in spot cleaning applications. So really one product that covers a wide gamut of cleaning on your truck. Encap-Punch has proven to be a very popular product that adds punch to your cleaning. It's one more way that we help you max your Encap here at Excellent Supply. So thank you for watching. Please share your comments below about Encap-Punch and how you're using it in your cleaning application, or if you have any questions about how to use it, put it below and we'll get to that for you. And also please subscribe, hit the subscribe button and share your comments. We appreciate it when you do that. And if you like it, give us a thumbs up. So until next time, we want to thank you for watching this episode of Encap TV. Have a great day.